Hi, Shajiz this side. Welcome to each one attending this live session. As promised last evening, I wanted to disclose the whole plan for the coming 364 days. Actually, we have completed day one yesterday on 1st January 2025, and this will be a 365-day journey. And I wanted to disclose more details about the journey with each one of you. Actually, as I told in my session, in my live session last evening, for the last 2 to 3 years, I have been exploring the digital space, trying to learn many things, how to take my subject expertise, my teaching skills for the benefit of students out there. So I explored several things. So while exploring or while I have been the part of such a journey, I really explored the contents on physics by several players out there in the market. I found something really interesting, that I have some different style of presenting physics to my students. So I thought that definitely students who are really struggling with physics will find my support really helpful for them for their learning journey forward. So I really wish to help 8th to 12th students on their journey with physics. So as we all know, high school physics students enjoy a lot, especially whether it is in 8th, 9th or 10th, whether the student is following state syllabus, CBSE syllabus, or even ICSE syllabus, they will be able to enjoy the subject up to a certain extent. But the reason is, till class 10th, they are learning physics in connection with their daily life, or the real experience. Let me put it in this way: those phenomenon which they experience in their daily life, they are learning as such. But when it comes to +1 and +2 physics, especially +1 physics, there are happening a lot of drastic changes, which makes the student really struggling with the subject physics. Perhaps physics will be the first subject for any +1 student, because the transformation or transition is that drastic when the student is switching from 10th to 11th. There is huge or massive gap of contents, massive gap of mathematical tools and techniques, massive gap of lack of time, massive gap of foundation. So everything is really beyond the reach of the student. So really, they become overwhelmed, they become frustrated, they become fed up with the subject, they lose the interest towards the subject. So that is all happening in the case of any student who is moving from 10th to 11th. This is happening from time immemorial, and it is happening nowadays also. And if we are repairing our system in a thorough manner, this will be continuing for the next generations to come. Today, our students, they are mugging up a subject like physics, which is having deep and exciting dimensions of beauty and aesthetics. Without even realizing these realities or facts, the students are being forced to mug up everything, and they are um, they are compelled to follow some rote memorization techniques in order to get marks only. But the case will be entirely different if they follow a systematic process, starting from strong foundation, building their muscles with the necessary mathematical tools and techniques. They should be knowing how to use these tools, where to use these tools, and when to use these tools. Tools like differentiation, integration, vector algebra, logarithm, higher order trigonometry, and graph analysis. All these are totally new for any student moving from 10th to +1. So they should be equipped with these tools. See, if someone is given some tool, some mechanical tool, like a spanner or a drilling machine, something like that, they are not aware of how to use it. Then what is the use of that particular tool with such a person? So the student in this particular case, he or she should be equipped with the necessary mathematical tools and techniques. They should be knowing how to use these tools in a proper manner, in an appropriate situation when it is related to physics or chemistry. So with the proper skills, with the proper tools, the student will start enjoying a subject like physics. Actually, we treat mathematics as a subject, only a subject. But actually, math is a powerful and precise language with the help of which only we will be able to explore a subject like physics. And many of our students, they pursue a career in engineering. Engineering is the application of physics. So in order to understand physics, you should be well versed with the language of math. You should be knowing the tools. You should be knowing the technique of how various tools should be used inside the physics. So, long story short, I wanted to summarize everything in a short span of time in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Starting from, we already started the journey last day itself. Today, I wanted to give each one of you a solid plan for the next 363 days. We will be continuing, or we will be following a solid schedule. I will be showing up live in this platform every day. Starting from Monday to Saturday, I will be live at 6:30 p.m. And the live session will be lasting for 30 minutes to 1 hour, maximum 1 hour. Okay, that will be the duration of the session. I will be discussing, rather than discussing something vague, I wanted to be specific. And for that, my plan is to help +1 students on Mondays and Thursdays. I will be handling important topics related to +1 on Mondays and Thursdays. And in a similar way, I will be handling +2 topics on Tuesdays and Fridays. And the timing will be the same, from 6:30 to max 30 minutes or maximum 45 or maximum up to 1 hour. That will be the duration of the live session. I will be discussing different topics related to that particular grade or class, whether it is +1 or +2, like that. And I wish high school students to have strong foundation when they are moving from high school to +1 with full of confidence. They should not lose their confidence when they are moving from 10th to +1. So that I will be handling high school topics as well. But when compared to +1 and +2, the gravity of the topics or the volume of the topics in physics, for whether it is 8th standard, 9th standard or 10th standard, whether the student is following state syllabus or CBSE syllabus. Of course, for ICSE syllabus, the syllabus will be much more. But I will be covering the fundamental concepts which is applicable to all the syllabus or the syllabi, whether it is state, CBSE or ICSE. My pure intention is our students should be having clarity with fundamentals. Why I am saying this? While dealing with many students who came to +1 classes after scoring very good marks in 10th, they don't know the basic fundamentals. For example, I keep asking one question, not only one, this is one among such questions. My question is, what is the logic behind replacing proportionality with a constant in an equation or in a situation? It happens in several situations in the case of physics and also in chemistry. We will state something, this is proportional to that, and after that, in the next step, we will mathematically write it as this is equal to a constant times that. So what is the logic behind replacing a constant, replacing proportionality with a constant? See, in my 20+ years of experience, not even a single student who came to +1 after scoring very good marks in 10th, class 10th, they didn't answer this question. So there exists several gaps. You think about the foundation built for a building with several gaps and cracks. Will it be possible for somebody to create or build something solid above such a weak foundation? So my intention is our students should be having very strong foundation in physics, and they should be knowing how to use various tools in math to interpret physics in a meaningful way, so that they will be able to learn physics with lots of fun, with lots of joy, with lots of excitement to explore deep into the subject. That is my intention of doing this. So, for high school students, I will be handling sessions on Wednesdays and Saturdays. The same time, there is no change in timing. Timing will be from 6:30 to, starting from 6:30, it may extend up to 1 hour, starting 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. That will be the duration of the session. Now again, one day is remaining in a week, that is Sunday. Every Sunday, I will be showing up 10:30 a.m. morning. Sunday is a holiday, so I will be showing up at 10:30 a.m. And on Sunday, I will be discussing some general topics which can be connected to physics. So that particular session, all the students from class 8th to 12th, they can attend those particular sessions. So let me iterate what I have told about my plan. Every Monday and Thursday, I will be discussing +1 topics. Every Tuesday and Friday, I will be discussing +2 topics. Similarly, on every Wednesday and Saturday, I will be discussing high school topics. That will be the structure. Specific topics or specific class or grade. And on Sunday, I will be discussing general topics, which will be really connected to physics, and it will be connected with our own daily life phenomena, daily life situations as well. So that is the plan for the next 363 days. We will start from tomorrow. So this is, yesterday I have given the rough plan. Today I have given the solid plan, which all days, which all time I will be showing up live. And again, one more thing I discussed is which class topics will be covered during these sessions. So that's it. With that, let me sign off for today. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. So Friday is the day for +2. So tomorrow we will be discussing a very important topic in +2 with lots of joy, fun, and excitement. I'm damn sure that you will find something different, something interesting, something exciting inside these sessions. So bye for now. See you tomorrow. Thank you.